I ordered some parts for the E36. It took like 1.5 weeks to arrive. It's pretty outrageous. Let's unbox it. The car was stationary for this 1.5 weeks, so I'm finally excited to get it back on the road, and I'll explain why I didn't drive it. So these are gas struts for the hatch. The hatch keeps falling down, so we're gonna fix that. These are some studs. This is for my other project, for a Land Rover Discovery 3 that me and my dad are building. If you guys are interested in that one, I'll make a video about it. Water pump. So this is for the window wash. Basically my car has that one missing and it's pretty annoying and I need to fix it ASAP. Okay, this also really important. You're not gonna guess what this is. It's actually a side mirror. So the story is, I was driving my car on the highway and my side mirror just flew away. It was pretty dangerous to drive the car that way. So I ordered 2 of these, one for each side. And last but not least, oil for power steering. The plan is to replace the power steering fluid in my car because the pump is quite noisy. So I suspect that fluid change might help that a bit. Let's get to work with these parts. Yeah, so you just put like a couple fingers here, you snap off the clips, and turns out I also have the heated mirror, so yeah. So let's clean it up a bit. Connect it. And snap it into place. Okay, the mirror is in place. It took a bit more time than initially expected because it's a bit tricky. So since the mirror is adjustable, it always does this when you try to snap it in place. But after you like move it to the final position, then you put a bit of pressure here, but not too much, you don't want to break it. Then it snaps in place. So now it's fully in place. I'm gonna try and adjust it from the car and see if it fully works. It's not exactly as the other one. So this one has this little stripe, but on this one it's absent. And I feel like the mirror is a bit different. Yeah, I mean, it's not ideal, but it will work. So that is fixed. Let's move on to the boot and put the new struts in. This issue is quite an annoying one. So these struts, they hold the boot really badly, like it keeps falling down. I mean, now it's okay, more or less, but it keeps falling down, so it's really annoying and it's an easy fix, so let's replace them. This is made in Germany. It's nice. I wonder if it's the original one. There you go. Almost automatic. Now the last but not least, windshield washer. So this is supposed to be right here. Let's get it installed. Seems like it's the wrong part. You see this? This has these like pins, and this is supposed to clamp to a different type of pins. Shit. It does look like the connector on the pump is wrong, but I tried to attach it, you know, just press it in as much as possible, and it does seem to work. So I don't think they're gonna exchange the part anyway, because I already tried to install it. So I'm just gonna rock that for the time being, and then later on I'll probably get a correct one. that's all of the issues I wanted to resolve today. So now the car is much less annoying to drive. In the next video we'll probably be refreshing the interior. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.